What we know so far, I mean, we just have one headline number, but certainly quite a miss there. Why do you think that, the market got it so wrong, first and foremost? And what does it tell us of where we are in this tech cycle?
I don't think the market realized how deep and vast and broad-ranging this tech slowdown has been. It's just been a cliff in December in terms of memory chip prices that I think has taken the entire industry by surprise. The result has been this huge drop for Samsung's operating profit numbers, and we are still actually processing it, what this means. There is some hope that this could mean that Samsung will be forced to cut back on production a bit. It has been, Samsung until now has been saying that they wanted to keep up its production levels as sort of a way to gain more market shares as its smaller rivals were cutting back. But just the size of this fall, I mean, it's the biggest in over a decade. It's worse than anything we've seen in the pandemic, might force it to rethink its strategy.
Well, I guess this is just one or two numbers, but does it look like this is a Samsung story or an industry story?
I think it's both. Samsung is the biggest memory chip maker, and any decision that it makes has huge repercussions throughout the sector. I mean, its market share, it has so much control over vast swaths of the sector. So, I mean, it's both. You cannot talk about the memory chips without talking about Samsung. So, if Samsung does decide to tamp down on the brakes even a little bit, that will provide some relief to smaller chip makers from Hynix to Kioxia to Micron.
And what effect has these U.S. sanctions on chip exports in China? Has that had quite a sizable impact on Samsung at all?
Yes, it's definitely, I mean, it's been such an ugly quarter to begin with, and then these October sanctions came in. Samsung has a huge business in China. They're very close partners. China is South Korea's biggest trade partner, and when their chip clients cannot get the equipment that they need to produce, that slows down the chip. When manufacturers can't get the equipment that they need to make products, that slows down their orders to Samsung, both on the chip front and the display front.
Mayumi, final question very quickly. When do we get the full details here?
Oh, those come at the end of the month, on January 31st. So we will be looking out on all the details about the not just the net profit, but its CapEx outlook and any comments that they might make about production.